Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naeem Azam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily analysis on our YouTube channel. As always, we'll be looking at various different markets. We'll be talking about the equity forex market, commodities, and of course, some of the conversations will be also focused on cryptos as well. As I earlier said, my name is Naeem Azam. I come with a wealth of 15 years, nearly. During the time, I have worked as a hedge fund trader for Bank of New York Mellon, and of course, as a with Bank of America as an equity trader. So we're at the end, currently working as a chief market analyst for AvaTrade. When we look at the markets, the US markets, and when we see the way the markets are going to go, one thing becomes very clear that the bulls are still very much in control of the price. The reason that I'm saying that, if you look at your Dow Jones chart on your 30-minute time frame, it becomes very clear that the momentum is still to the upside. The reason that I'm saying that is because when I look at the chart for Dow Jones on this particular time frame, I see that the 50-day moving average has crossed above the 100-day simple moving average on the 30-minute time frame, which is ostensibly very bullish sort of a signal, because now the pretty important moving averages, which I will discuss just in a bit. So we have a price which is above the 50, which is trading above the 100, and 100 is trading above the 200. So these are very positive patterns, or let's say the signals for bulls to really pay attention to. Now, in terms of a forex, it is all about the ECB meeting is going to be taking place tomorrow, so investors will be looking at that. Currently, the euro is trading at 1.21. Again, it's trading towards pretty much towards the high of this year. And for sterling, it is all about Brexit vows if Boris Johnson price is higher at 1.34. Now, as earlier mentioned, because the among investors is your assets, so that means that we're not going to see any upward move for a gold where you trade above that price level. I want the price to stay above the 1850 price level, because that really leaves the room open to continue to move to the upside. That's all from my side, but before I go, I just wanted to look at the crypto prices as well, which is trading. Bitcoin has dropped below the 18,000 price level, quite critical, but not something that we didn't expect, because if you have seen the technical analysis video which we did yesterday, we did say that according to the current price action, it can move to the downside. It can continue to move down all the way to 16,500 to 16,700 price levels. So let's see how that will pan out over the next few days or so. But for today, that is